What's good, Ghost Gang? This your boy, Ghostwriter 2T's. And you know I'm back with another informative video. And today I will be sharing with you something that I was able to find. I'll tell you where when we get right into the video. First, I want y'all to hit me with a sub. Yeah, I appreciate it. And a like. I do appreciate you guys. Everyone who's been subbing up that's new. And all my loyals, I appreciate you guys. I love y'all. God bless you. So what we got here today is an item from 5 and Below. So they do have things that do work really well at 5 and Below. If you have one in your area, check it out. You might find something that you're looking for that'll be in a normal store. But a lot of the normal stores don't have a lot of gadgets like these. So check it out. See what you think. If you have one in your town, use it. And I don't know if they have a 5 and Below online, but they may have a 5 and Below online. I don't know about that. I'll have to check into that. But here we have the BYTECH. I know you guys are familiar with this. I've done a lot of these type of videos on my channel. And I'm going to try using this. This is a head mount. It's the art of technology. You can record your adventure. You put the strap on top of your head, and you can put the video facing either your front-facing camera, which you can get 4K 60 frames, and you just won't see what you're recording, but it will be recording the whole time. Or you can flip it where you can you still wouldn't see it because it's above your head. And it probably works best with a GoPro, but you can use whatever you like. It says usable with phone, fits devices up to 6.5 inch screen, secure grip, adjustable viewing, and adjustable strap. You can see it on the guy's head. You can pretty much see how they're using it. One's using it while hang gliding, and then it's just gives some information on the back. So without further ado, we get right on into the unboxing and see what's popping off. Let's see if I can figure out how to get in this without demolishing the box. Come on. Oh man, this got to be. Alright, I got that one off. I got the middle one off. See if I can get this one off. I know that was my daughter went by that photo bomb, video bomb me again. She always does that. The cheese? I don't know where the cheese is. You have to see it after I get done with this video. Okay, so there's the box. Here's the little pieces. This screws into the back of this. And the scrap basically already comes together. So it has this piece here, and you can equip it the way that you want. And I'm pretty sure that you put this piece. Oh gosh. Oh. All right. And it came with no directions in here. Alrighty. Okay. Well, I know somehow you put this underneath the bottom of it. Okay. And then I know that you put this in the middle. Oh, okay, I see. And then you put this screw through it. Oh, and this is the tightener. Okay, I got it. Okay, so it wasn't that hard to figure out. Okay, so that's equipped. That stretches the phone. Put the phone in there like that, like so. And I think with the screw on it, you can turn it and lay it down and do it from another angle, but that's definitely the angle I would use it at. And it has a nice stretch to it. So I got a little peanut head, so it immediately fits right away. Yeah. So there you have it. And this is the tighten it down, which I didn't know what that was for, but you basically put this in there like that, and it'll tighten it. That's to tighten this. but you can move it basically wherever you want while it's on your head, whatever angle you want the camera to be at. I think that that's a nifty tool that can be used for, you know, an array of different things. But there you have it. That's pretty much unboxing. I'm not going to keep you guys longer than I need to. You know where to get it from, Five and Below or Five and Below online. The price point was, I want to say, it was either 5 or 10. 10 to be completely sure that it was not more than 10. But Five and Below, 10 bucks. You guys will get you one. Make this video, excuse me, short and sweet. I love you guys. God bless y'all. Make sure I hit me with a sub, like, and comment. Another unboxing done for you guys. And I'm out.